To create A4 size page, you want to come to your Canva homepage and you will see here where it says custom size, and click on custom size. On the unit side, you want to change that to millimeters. I'll tell you why in a moment. So here I'm going to input 210 for the width and 297 for the height. So this is a standard A4 paper. If you switch it up to pixel, you can see what that came up to in pixel. If you go into this in inch, you can see the size of what it came to. I'm more comfortable with using millimeter to create my A4 size paper. You can go to create new design. Our A4 page size is open in Canva. You may now come to the design tab here and start looking for designs you want to add to this. You might continue doing what it is you wanted to create with the A4 size page.